One of the quieter changes Canva's introduced is that the left-hand sidebar on the homepage is now customizable, which means that you can choose which sections stay visible and which ones get tucked away. That flexibility is helpful. And it's also why items can sometimes move without you realizing it. If something like projects, templates, brand, or another section is missing from the homepage sidebar, it's most likely because it was unpinned and moved into the More menu. When you click on items in the sidebar, you'll notice a small pin icon in the corner. That pin controls whether the item stays visible in the main navigation or it gets tucked under More. When the pin is turned off, nothing is deleted. Canva simply moves the item out of the main list. So if something seems to have disappeared from your homepage sidebar, the first thing to do is click More and look for it there. Once you click on the item in the More menu, it becomes active in the sidebar again. And at that point, you can drag it into place wherever you want. One important detail here, because this is where people often get stuck. You can't drag items directly out of the More menu. You have to click on them first to make them active, and only then can you reposition them in the sidebar. So if something goes missing from your homepage sidebar, a quick check in More is usually all it takes to bring it back. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.